Hello YouTube. Now this video is about vacuuming my 3 of these sack style rugs or carpets, and now I just upgrade this bag. Now I have previously used these paper bags, and for better filtration I bought 5 of these. This is Finnish brand Menalux, and they make very good bags. This is basically like HEPA bag, and that Dura flow means that this is high filtration bag. So let's put this on. Okay, I can use this still for some bigger messes, and now this very nice bag. Very good shell, rubber shell there, tight fit, but at least it doesn't leak dust. Now just turn it. Like that. And now it's on. Now filtration should improve quite a lot. And how I am filming this is using onboard camera. This is just like a GoPro style, and I am going to put this to the handle. So let's get vacuuming. is done, and this is so great to use on these carpets. Usually vacuums are quite heavy to push, but with that transmission self-propelled mode, this is so easy to push and pull, and yes, it's a bit clumsy or bulky, but I don't have any obstructions, so it's fine. So let's check if we can see what there is. These are a bit hard to get off, and I always turn wrong way. Now it should be coming. Yes. Now. Okay. So quite nice. Quite nice. I believe that this is very good deep cleaner, and well, you saw the pigment test and there was not much left after that, so I am very convinced. What you can do with Kirby on carpets. So now next, yes, there is coming that tandem air system. Many have asked that, and I will do that, but I don't know when, because I am a bit busy now. But for now, goodbye.